We are trying to have a good sample of buildings that could reflect, let's say, the average building stock of the region. So we are working with schools, public buildings, but also private households, and so yeah, we are trying to pick some different type of buildings in the region. As a region, we are in charge of managing the database of the EPC at regional level. So we are responsible for the storage of the EPC and the validation, the check of this EPC. Renewables were not playing a role, let's say, 20 years ago, and we were facing really a period where energy consumption were increasing year by year. So things changed, and we were able to decouple, let's say, the economic growth from the growth in the energy consumption, which is really important. So we understood that we can grow from economic point of view without, let's say, wasting energy or using more and more energy. This is to say that we need a new push for the future, a leap forward, let's say, in the direction of energy efficiency and renewables. We need to speed up the process, the decarbonization and the energy transition process in the future. I don't know where we are going to be in 20 years, of course, but I think we don't have any choices. So we need to live in an almost carbon neutral world. I don't know if this is feasible, but we must do it. So we need to be in a world where renewables will play a key role, a major role, and we are able to run a building and move without using a lot of energy, as we are doing now. This project is for me is very technical. There is the aim to introduce innovation. We are in a way where we are changing also the legislative framework, but it's not only an academic project. I mean, the innovation should be brought into the policies, into the practice. So what we want to learn is that these new approaches can be really implemented in reality, and this is the most important outcome, let's say, of the project, to test some new approaches and then try to figure out how to bring them in reality in common activities in the future. There are these very challenging targets at European level for 2030 in the 455 strategy for the Commission. And there is also the renovation wave strategy. We need to increase more and more the rate of deep renovation of buildings. And so the energy performance certificates is one of the steps to go in this direction. The challenge is really huge, but we cannot avoid this. Yeah? So it's very important that we go fast in this direction.